In this video, I will be showing you the two ways to get to your remote web interface on your MyCloud account. First, you're going to log into your MyCloud dashboard. Then guide your eyes to the right-hand side of your screen. Next to the word connected in green, you're going to click on the blue link. It will bring you into a new browser with the blue boxes. The other way is by clicking on the setup box. Look on device connectivity. From the Wi-Fi section, you're going to guide your eyes over, take that specific IP address, open up a new browser. You're going to type in that specific IP address it gives you, and it will bring you to the blue boxes as well.